So what day is it?
Well, it's first day of school and my third. Yippee!
Yee-hee. All right, should we head down to the bus stop?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. There we go. Oh, good. Yeah, get the whole crew in.
Exactly. Hey, yeah, get everyone. Yep. The corner crew.
The corner crew.
It is funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey guys, let's look at the camera and smile. Drew, move in. 1, 2, 3, smile. Cute guys. Ribbon your hair looks really good. I like it. Like it a lot. And Will, can I get you and Tanya?
Oh yeah, there's the bus.
there's
There's
the
your
bus.
hurry up, guys! Look. There's the bus. The bus.
Okay, I will.